Oh no. Nope. Oh, that's really hot. So I recently deleted Instagram and I'm finding that I don't know what to do with my free time. So I took it upon myself to buy an Arduino starter kit. Now, for those who may not know what that is, it is a microcontroller or a computer thing basically to allow me to do some personal project stuff for engineering. Let's get this thing open. So here she is, currently downloading the Arduino software so I can code it. And this is going to be day one of my journey to learning electronics. So to start, I know everyone starts with getting the little light to turn on. So I'm going to have to download the program on my computer and then write some code. But mainly I got this because as a mechanical engineer, a lot of personal projects you can't really do without electronic stuff. Because I mean, yeah, you can 3D print stuff, you can build stuff, but if you want it to move, it's got to have electronics. All right, I'm following a tutorial online. I've got my resistor and then a little LED action, some wires, and I'm just going to start with trying to get this light to light up. All right, so here's my code. It's extremely simple, I know. And here's the moment of truth. I'm going to send it. Go in. Boom! Let's go. All right, so the light is on. Oh, hold on. Okay, I tried to pick it up, and one of the wires came out. So here it is. Very simple, I know, but you know, it's my first time. I'm pretty excited. I don't have much time today because we're celebrating St. Patrick's Day today here, so that's going to be all for day one. I'm back, everyone. It is day 2 of learning electronics as a mechanical engineer. Today, I am learning how to use a thermometer. This one's pretty small. You can see it, maybe. There it is. Very small. It's supposed to be pretty accurate, I think. But I'm going to learn how to hook that up and then display it on this thing. So that'll be very interesting. And I'm using Claude to help me write the code and figure out where to plug in each component, which pin that it goes in. As you can see here, the Claude is pretty helpful. I'm not a big coder, and I don't really know what I'm doing yet, so it's a big help. Okay, so minor issue. On both of these things, they have pins and no label. So I have no idea where to connect these to these. So, slight issue, but I'm going to figure that out. Alright, I think I figured it out. So I'm going to start placing stuff in here. I think I just can like read them left to right or something. Have to reverse this because these are connected horizontally. These ones are connected vertically. So it's got to go like this. Boom. Alright, so black is ground, red is VCC, or the power, 5 volt, and then yellow is for the actual data. Alright, we're scratching this screen because apparently it needs 8 resistors and 8 wires, or no, like 8 resistors and 12 wires, which I'm not doing. That's way too much work. So we're switching to this screen, and I think it'll be a lot better. It's a better display, and I mean, it's just easier than this thing. I didn't really expect this to be that much work, so we're not doing that because I don't have that experience yet. All right, this screen is still pretty complicated, so I'm going to take a picture of like the pin layout. That way I don't have to dig it out again. There's so many data wires, holy cow. All right, this is kind of crazy. I need a potentiometer to increase the contrast of the LCD screen. All right, it might just be a contrast issue. Let's see. Oh no. Nope. Oh, that's really hot. That can't be right. Definitely had this flipped around, and the power and the ground were flipped, and it got super hot. Should be fine. Okay, I think it's correct now. So we're gonna plug it back in. Let's see. No. Another sensor error. No. Bro, this can't be. Alright, so just tested it to see if it would like print any values or not after I had it hooked up wrong. I definitely fried it, unfortunately. So there goes that project. Absolutely fried. And yeah, so now I either buy another one or I just move on to something different. But for some reason, I don't know, I didn't think it would be that big of a deal if I messed it up at first. But it definitely was, and now it's cooked. So that really sucks. I'm kind of pissed. It's kind of coolered my whole mood about this. It's whatever though, I guess. I'll figure something else out to do. Probably be it for this video then. Now I gotta figure out a different project or something else I can work on. But yeah, I guess for now I still suck at electronics.